According to James Bauer, there is only one thing you need to become irresistible to men. It's not good looks, nor humor. It's not sex. James calls it the respect principle. Click the link in the description below this video for details. The Respect Principle by James Bauer is based on a study conducted by Shaunti Feldhahn in 2006, in which she asked 400 men this question. The majority of men would rather give up your love, than lose your respect for him. At the same time, she asked women the same question, and it turns out that we think exactly the opposite. Women would rather give up respect than the feeling of being loved and admired by him. Think about it yourself. How would you have answered? Firstly, what this course is not, what men secretly want is not a how to guide to change or manipulate men the way you want them to be. This is a course for women who want to find and keep high-quality men to settle down with. It's for you if you want to find the one or simply want the companionship and deep emotional connection that comes with having a committed relationship. If it's your goal to get a man commit and desire to you and stop pulling away every time it's about to get serious, you need to be willing to put in lots of work on yourself to see results from this book. This is the reason why what men secretly want mostly focuses on changing and improving your inner game before you can start using this proven step-by-step system for becoming irresistible to men. It's time to dive a little deeper into the course and find out exactly what James Bauer can do for you. Be irresistible, what men secretly want under the microscope. There are 9 main chapters to this course. It's a short and concise course, there's no filler here. If you want information, but are tired of having to flick through endless pages before you actually find the bit you want, you'll love this course. Do you know that your man craves your respect? To him, your respect is love. Find out how you can make your man feel more respected by changing little things you do, then watch as he reacts in completely different ways than usual. You will be starting to actively past situations where you feel that he reacted a bit weird to something you said or did, and instead of not knowing what happened, you will see exactly what made him upset. What's wrong with making yourself someone fun to be around? There's actually nothing wrong with that, but according to research by Dr. Martin in 2007, men see being funny as a male thing and is not a character trait they are looking for in a woman. When forced to choose between humor production and humor appreciation in potential partners, women valued humor production, whereas men valued receptivity to their own humor, said Dr. Martin. Want to be more attractive to your man? Every woman does. Let's face it. We love to feel like our partner wants us. Click the link in the description below this video for details.